If you think Rajasthan is deserts and culture and temples and forts and history and heritage, add one more thing to it. It is also ghats. It is also mountains. It is also the beautiful scenery if you come here in monsoon. We don't know how is it in other months, but in monsoon, oh my god, look at the view. Look at the view.
For me, Rajasthan was always about culture, folk music, and art. But this time, monsoons showed me a new side. Rajasthan turned green. On the road from Pushkar to Udaipur, the Ghat sections, the hills, the Aravalli, they made me fall in love with my India all over again. And as a traveler on limited leaves, I can't always explore everything. So I slow down and simply feel the vibe of a city. Pushkar was just that slow, vibrant, and yet very colorful. After a day there, we drove towards Udaipur, the city of lakes. We had to skip Ajmer and Nathdwara because Udaipur and a waiting friend pulled us ahead.
It's raining heavily, very windy. In the morning, it was raining cats and dogs. So now we will be starting from here to Udaipur, and it's around 250 kilometers. We'll see you in Udaipur then. It's 250 kilometers from here. मिलते हैं आपको वहाँ.
देख आरोह में गमक है, अवरोह में भी गमक. यही हो सा. आरोह मतलब ascending notes of increasing frequency. अवरोह मतलब descending frequency. मतलब steps मान ले, चढ़ना उतरना.
And that's the beauty of travel. Sometimes I cover places, sometimes I flow through them. But every journey leaves its mark.